Good morning to you. Monday morning of what for many of you might be a vacation week, and for some of you, we're back to the routine here, right? Look, first of all, I want to get you covered no matter which one it is. Noyes' notes are the big ideas of the forecast and what's coming up. So showers will be creeping north today. Really, the farther south you are, the more into these showers that you're going to be. The heaviest rain falls in southern New England, Connecticut, Rhode Island, southeastern Mass as we get into this evening and the overnight tonight. It has been dry. We've been in drought, but if you get too much rain at once, you still can get flash flooding. We think that probably is going to happen. By the way, if you missed it, I put out an early week essentials last evening. It is still on our website. It is still up on our app. It has all the details in terms of rain amounts, wind gusts, surf and swell, how big the waves are going to build. So make sure you check that out at onedegreeoutside.com or again at our 1 Degree Outside app. Also on our YouTube channel as well. Gusty for some on Tuesday morning. We think on the Cape, the gusts may go 40 or 45 for a brief time coming out of the east and east-northeast. The waves are going to build as a result. It does get better in terms of the weather midweek, but you're going to get rip currents at the beaches on Wednesday and Thursday as well. Look, we've been all over our app lately. It's a really busy time for folks to be outside, and we know that. So what we can do is kind of geo-target our notifications so that if you've got something coming at you, we can take care of you. We did that with the beaches this past weekend with the storms coming in there. For our boaters, we did that. We can even notify offshore. So grab the app, make sure you turn on location and notifications because otherwise we can't do that for you, right? We don't save your information or anything like that. Okay, predicted radar here. The big question always is, what time is it going to rain for me? First thing is use our app for that. It's going to help you out a lot for your location. The hourly page is great. The radar in past plus future mode will do you a lot of good. But overall, notice the showers try to creep north of the pike as we get out through the midday today. But really, it becomes more scattered the more into northern Mass that you go. And the farther north you go from the New Hampshire and Vermont border, the more removed from the rain you are, to the point that it's actually sunny in northern Maine. It's sunshine filtered through clouds in some of the north. There may still be a couple of pop-up showers or downpours coming out of the mountains in northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, northwestern Maine. But most of the rain you can see stays suppressed across southern New England. The farther south you are, the wetter it is going into this evening. And then again, heading into the overnight, very heavy rain that may drop on the order of 3 to 5 inches of rain, believe it or not, in some parts of southeast Connecticut, southern Rhode Island, running into southeastern Massachusetts as well. And again, that's enough that you would be looking at the potential for some flash flooding. If it hits in a place that doesn't have good drainage, like downtown Providence or New Bedford or Fall River, now you're talking about significant road flooding that may be ongoing as we get into the evening, the overnight. So it's something to keep in mind, at least, depending on where these downpours set up. You can see as we get into the deep evening, that's where they really appear to be focused. Now, we all get into some amount of rain, right? And Tuesday is not a great day. If you are on vacation this week, I had mentioned it in the early week essentials last evening, but use those rain plans in some of these spots here in the first couple of days because it does get better. Wednesday's going to get better. Thursday's going to get better. Or you can drive north. The farther north you go, the drier it's going to be. So if you're into day tripping and all that, it actually ends up being a good deal drier across the far north country of New England out of this whole event. And again, by Tuesday evening, everybody's pretty much done. High temperatures, as you could imagine, today are going to be kept down by the fact that you've got an onshore easterly wind. You've got a lot of clouds around. So lower 70s about the best we're going to do. The farther north you go, the warmer it gets because the drier the air is, you've got less relative humidity to the air, and you're able to get some sunshine. And that makes a really big difference too. So 82 today at St. John's, 84 at St. Albans, right? I mean, it's a summer day still across northern New England. It's just very different from south to north as you start to outrun the rain and outrun at least the thicker cloud cover. Tonight, actually, it's a comfortable night. I guess we'll look on the bright side of that part of it. It's still going to be soupy when you get down onto the Cape and the Islands, or I should say humid. Maybe not soupy. That's a wrong word, but it'll be humid anyway. And just a reminder that we will continue to keep you posted through our weather network. It's on your smart TV. Open up the YouTube app. Do a search for 1 Degree Outside Network. Choose the live option. Online at 1degreeoutside.live or on our app. Everything goes back to that app, the 1 Degree Outside app, App Store, Google Play, free and 5 stars. And you can link to our 24/7 network by tapping right on the home screen. That's how it looks for now. Have a great start to the week. We will continue to see you with updates here at 1 Degree Outside.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside weather.